Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my current favorite eyeshadow palette. I've talked about this brand before. I love it. It is BeautyCounter, and the reason I love it so much is I've been trying to switch over all of my beauty products to non-toxic, safe products, and this is included. They have amazing makeup products. It's been really hard to find good makeup products that are safe for your skin and not toxic, that are actually good products. And this one is phenomenal. You can create so many looks out of this. Today, I'm going to be showing you my everyday go-to, just kind of nude, more natural look. But look at all those shades. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely love it. It is expensive, but I personally think it's worth the investment just because you won't need any other eyeshadows but these. They are phenomenal. They last all day and I absolutely love them. So let's get started. What I like to do is I go in with Cherry Blossom right here and I put that all over my lid. So I just use a big fluffy brush that goes all over the lid. Next, I'm going to go in with my, this is a Morphe E23, which is the crease brush. And just FYI, I am a stay-at-home mom. If you don't know me, haven't followed me before, I have 3 little ones under the age of 4. So if you hear people talking in the background, that is them. And now I'm going to take Canyon, this color right here, and Soft Peach. I'm going to put that in my crease so we can create that transition shade and everything will blend nicely. After you've blended that transition shade, you're gonna go in with Spice, this brown shade. It's a lighter brown that's shimmery, and Mink, just a touch of Mink, not a lot, it's darker, but it adds a nice definition to the outer corner of the eye. I'm just going to blend that in the outer corner. And I like to use an angled brush for the outer corner. I just think it's easier to blend and it gives a really nice look. Now that we've blended out Mink and Spice in our outer corners, we're gonna go in and put our eyeliner on. My favorite is, I just haven't found anything else I like. It's a drugstore, it's not expensive. It's Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. I love it in the color Earl Grey. I like it better than brown, black. I don't know, it just looks really good. And it lasts all day. Once you have your eyeliner on the way that you like it, I like to take a little bit of this eyeshadow and smudge it out. So I usually blend the espresso shade, this really dark brown, matte brown, with the Mink shimmer. So I'll just blend those two together. And then I like to smudge out my eyeliner. I don't like that really dark, deep line. I like that soft edge, but I still want it to show up. And I feel like these two colors together make the perfect combination. And then on the bottom line where we put a little bit of our eyeliner, I like to use some lighter shades. So I usually just use the Spice color and the Canyon right here, these two. Or I'll just do the Canyon and the Soft Peach, what we used in the transition shade of our crease. Now that we have our eyeliner done, I like to go in and put a little bit of eyeshadow right on the inner corner of the eyes, and I use what we used all over the lid, which is Cherry Blossom right here. It's just a nice light pink shimmer, and this will really make your eyes pop and open up a lot. It's a really easy added step that makes a big statement. Okay, we have all of the eyeshadow on. Now I'm gonna go in and define my eyebrows a little bit. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eye Pencil, so there's only one shade of this. I don't know if it really is universal. It works for me. Okay, my eyebrows are filled in. I'm gonna go in with, I just got this mascara and I am obsessed. It is the BeautyCounter Volumizing Mascara. I did not like the first one they came out with, the lengthening one. It smudged everywhere. It didn't make my lashes look good, but this one it's awesome. I love it. It stays put, makes my lashes look fuller and longer. It's super easy, such a good palette. I think I only used 6 eyeshadows out of it, so you can create so many different looks. It's non-toxic, and it just has every shade that you could possibly want. It's gorgeous. If you've ever been interested in BeautyCounter, I would definitely check this eyeshadow palette out. It's awesome. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.